Today, we're making ground beef bulgogi bowls. These are absolutely delicious and super easy to make. Let's get cooking. Start by dicing one yellow onion, and crushing 4 garlic cloves. Cube 1 zucchini and 6 carrots. Chop up 1 bunch of green onions. Add around 2 pounds of 80-20 ground beef. Measure 8 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 2 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper. Mix this all thoroughly. On a pan set to high heat, we'll add half our beef mixture. Allow this to cook until fully browned and caramelized. We'll repeat this process for the other half. We'll also prep 4 cups of white rice in the background. For our veggies, we'll cook our zucchini, carrots, and add some spinach as well. We can now portion everything out. We can also top everything off with sesame seeds. This recipe makes around 7 servings and makes for a delicious lunch or dinner. To reheat, simply microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Each serving costs around $2 to $3 to make. Let me know how it goes down in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.